Hi guys, I am Fahad from NATURALEAN-X. Today, we are gonna discuss 10 fruits those help you in weight loss. Several fruits can be beneficial for weight loss due to their low calorie content, high fiber content, and other nutritional properties. Here are some fruits that can aid in your weight loss journey. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and low in calories. The fiber content helps you feel full, making it easier to control your appetite and avoid overeating. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Berries are low in calories and packed with antioxidants and fiber. They are also known for their ability to improve metabolism and aid in fat burning. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is often associated with weight loss due to its ability to lower insulin levels and regulate blood sugar. It can help control cravings and reduce overall calorie intake. Pears. Pears are high in fiber and provide a feeling of fullness, making them a great snack option. They also contain vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. Oranges. Oranges are low in calories and high in vitamin C. The fiber content aids digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Watermelon. Watermelon has a high water content, making it hydrating and low in calories. It's a great option for curbing sweet cravings without consuming too many calories. Kiwi. Kiwi is a nutrient-dense fruit with a low calorie count. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making it a healthy choice for weight loss. Papaya. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion and helps break down proteins. It is low in calories and high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness. Cherries. Cherries are low in calories and packed with antioxidants. They may also help reduce inflammation and muscle soreness, making them a good choice for individuals engaging in physical activity for weight loss. Lemons. Although not typically consumed whole, lemons can be beneficial for weight loss. Adding lemon juice to water can aid digestion and boost metabolism due to its high vitamin C content. Remember that while these fruits can be helpful, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet and engage in regular physical activity for effective and sustainable weight loss. Additionally, portion control is crucial even when consuming low-calorie foods to create a calorie deficit for weight loss. Hope you guys like and enjoyed this video. So guys, like and subscribe NATURALEAN-X.